Wait, it is about to turn off.
Hello everyone, today let us talk about dashcam and the importance of having one. There are several models available if you go through Amazon or Flipkart. You can buy according to the features you want, according to the price list. In this video, you can see I am showcasing 70 MAI, which I bought from Amazon India at the cost of 7,000 rupees. This has several unique features like dual recording feature. For that you will have to buy an extra camera which you can set up in the rear aspect of your car. So what is the importance of having a dash cam? With increasing number of vehicles on the road, you can end up having an accident at any time, especially when you are driving a four-wheeler. And if you are hitting a two-wheeler, it is a common know that everybody will tend to blame the four-wheeler, even though nobody is aware of the exact situation. That is the common know. In such situations, your only help will be the footage from this dash cam. I have my own personal experience in this regard, and the dash cam footage might help you in the court of law. Coming to myth number 1, or the commonest misconception, that it is not legal. Actually, there is no such issue regarding dashcam in India currently. In fact, nowadays many cases they have taken advantage of the dashcam footage, and the victim was saved only because of these dashcam footages. So I strongly recommend having one in your car. Now coming to the second most common myth, that dashcam camera attachment requires visiting the dealership or workshop. Actually, most of the dashcams come with all the necessary tools and kit, so that it is very easy to install it by yourself. No need to go to workshop or service center. As you can see in the video, the box contains the 12-volt adapter. In this case, it has got dual USB support, so that while you are connecting your dashcam, you are also getting an extra USB port. And the cable provided will be a very long one, so that you can neatly hide the cable through the B pillar and through the roof, that I will show you soon. Myth number 3, will attaching a dashcam will drain my car battery? Absolutely no, because all the cars are having low voltage protection system in the car inbuilt, especially the modern ones. Even if your car is not having that, dashcam takes only very low amount of energy or current, so that is never going to happen. If you are still not confident, you can check your vehicle manual or contact your service center. You can trace the cable going like this, coming out here, all the way going up here. From there I have took it here and now neatly hidden beneath the roof. You can see the excess cable. All I have to do is just connect it to the dashcam. See how neatly the cable is now going. No exposed cables, everything is neatly hidden. Now cable is hanging free. The work looks neat now.